Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. In this video, we are going to see the multiple teaching and non-teaching vacancies from the three deemed to be universities or the private universities from the multiple campuses, and you can apply from any state. And here the assistant professor vacancies are there, and here the opportunities are there for the PG with non-UGC NET or the UGC NET or the PhD candidates. So before going into the main content of this video, the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET 2021 aspirants, and we will see these details at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the IEC University inviting applications for the following vacancies. And here you can check down that engineering, basic sciences, that is maths, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, pharmacy, and the law, and the humanities and social sciences, sports and physical education, yoga, library science, commerce and business management, hotel management, journalism and mass communication. And coming to the admin or the non-teaching, data entry operator, stenotypist, and the receptionist, lab technician, lab assistant, and hostel warden. Okay, all these things are given here, and the candidates who belongs to these departments with PG or UG or UGC NET or the non-UGC NET or the PhD, so you may apply, guys. Okay, so before applying, just once check all the educational qualifications here, and it is a link of the IEC University, okay, that you may apply here. So you are applying for which position, and what is your full name, and what is email ID, contact number, address, highest qualification, and the work experience, and you have to upload your resume and then click on the send message. Then your resume or the details will be sent to the IEC, and based upon their scrutiny process, okay, they will send you the mail or the call. Okay, so it is one private university, and second one is the Jamia Hamdard. It is also the deemed to be university. And the vacancy notification, applications are invited from the eligible candidates for assistant professors 5 in computer science and engineering, and 1 in mathematics and the Department of Computer Science, School of Engineering, Science and Technology, on the contract basis. Essential qualification is master's degree with 55% of marks, and apart from this one, UGC NET or SLET or SET or CSI or NET qualification must be there. Okay, so it is a requirement regarding this computer science as well as the mathematics, okay, for the Jamia Hamdard deemed to be university. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then here the phone number is also given here, and this notification published on the 10th December 2020. Interested candidates may send their application in prescribed format along with the detailed biodata, attested copies of certificates and testimonials to the Assistant Register Establishment Section, Jamia Hamdard, latest by 31st December 2020. Okay, you may give by on hand also. Fine. So it is a way of application, and you may check down here. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And coming to the next private university is the VAT, that is Vellore Institute of Technology. So here the multiple campuses are there. Okay, not only the one campus, the different campuses are there under the VAT. So here the VAT campus is on Chennai and Andhra Pradesh and Bhopal. Okay, so you may check down here. And coming to the credits at the rate of VAT, then the leadership, faculty recruitment, staff recruitment, and the JRF recruitments are also there. So for the faculty recruitment, click on that one, and these are the different departments, and in each and every department the multiple specializations are also there. Okay, so you may check down. Fine. So for example, if it is a school of social science and languages, okay, then you may check down here the different languages. Okay, so for example, if it is English, then click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page, and here they will show the whatever the qualifications required, 5 to 10 years. Okay, and job description, applicants should hold a PhD in the relevant subject from repeated. So it is posted just one day ago. Okay, and you can fill up the form here itself. Okay, and you can go to the few more instructions, okay, regarding this one. Clear? Fine. So these are the total different campuses are there under the VAT. You may apply any one of the things. Okay. So these are the three different private or the deemed to be universities where the vacancies are announced from the, for the multiple departments. So the interested candidates may apply. So to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here the announcement is that Unacademy is providing the complete or the detailed course for the subjects for the under the NTA UGC NET, commerce, general paper, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, labor welfare, English, sociology, language, law, education, geography, psychology, Hindi, public administration, electronic science, environmental sciences, philosophy, home science, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, anthropology, and Punjabi. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the complete course. So there is a lot of flexibility or is there in under this complete course where the live classes are available and you can clarify your doubts with the top educators. Fine. And it will be very much helpful to you to crack the NTA UGC NET 2021 JRF. And here these are the different subscription plans right now: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. Okay, so these prices are soon going to increase. Okay, so right now these are the current prices, and you can check down here the new prices. Okay, these prices are going to increase. So before increasing, take the subscription plan now itself if you are planning to take. And if you use my referral code, that is Ashwini K, which is mentioned here, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so take the subscription plan and crack the UGC NET JRF, and all the best, guys. Thank you.